isn't it? In 1972, there was a very big Mela in Delhi. There is a ground, like how we have Central Park in Manhattan. In Delhi, it is called Ram Leela ground. So they create an effigy of Ravan and they would burn it. So it was called Ram Leela grounds. And there was a huge Mela. So we said, okay, let's create a Mela, have a Mela there. And that ground was very famous. So our attention didn't go. So when you sign that paper for any ground, when you take like a contract and you sign it,
उसमें लिखा हुआ था कि अगर उन
it was
दिनों में
written,
विदेश का कोई बड़ा आया
if any eminent person from a foreign country comes, you will have to vacate the ground. Those days, the Russia president,
तो वो आ रहा था,
so he was visiting, and we all got a notice, and we had already created the Mela. You must have seen how the fair, it's like, there's huge stalls, booths. There's a stall for soul, for the Supreme Soul, time stall. So that is called as a fair, like different booths. So we were like, where are we going to take this big stall and go? So Dadi Prakash Mani also had come. This was done by all the states of India together, had come together and created this, like how Kumbh Mela happens. So government has given 3 acres of land at the moment. And they're making a stall of heaven in Kumbh Mela. And the government said, this is very beautiful. They give them more land. So one state took up different, one took the responsibility of cooking. One said, okay, we're going to get about 100 volunteers. So we also had everything ready. And Dadi Prakash Mani said, okay, do one thing. I was in South Delhi. Dadi was in Delhi, Panda Bhavan, which is in the north. So in the morning, she called me and she said, I have a feeling that we might not get an appointment, but
उसको पब्लिक ऑडियंस मतलब सवेरे सवेरे 8:30 बजे
around 8:30 they meet the public, different organization and people. They stand in the lawn and they meet the Prime Minister, about 50 people, and some people would come in a bus, and he would meet you personally. The Prime Minister themselves come. No, people come with different requests and applications. So Dadi said, go in that gathering. Dadi Gulzar, myself, about 50 people of us went. And it was decided that out of the 50 doesn't mean that all of you stand. Only 2 of you stand and 1 of you speak. And there is a photograph as well. Dadi Gulzar and I am standing. Dadi said, you don't tell them that Dadi Prakash Mani said, don't say about this ground is there, what to do. No, give them an invitation. Tell them that tomorrow is our program and we have come to give you this invitation. You please come. So Indira Gandhi came and we spoke to her very nicely.
मैंने कहा कि ये इनविटेशन है ये
And
वो
said, this is the invitation for the program. We spoke for 5 to 7 minutes and then she left and then we came back. And we're all seated in Panda Bhavan wondering what to do. And on a cycle,
ये पांडव भवन दिल्ली का है, शायद कईयों को पता ना हो.
this is Delhi Panda Bhavan. She's talking about the scenes in Delhi because Dadi Gulzar, all-rounder Dadi, they all stayed there. So there was one man who came on a bicycle with a telegram, and the telegram said, the Prime Minister has given on a stay on, means you can stay there, don't move. We're going to use the other ground, which is called Red Fort, and we'll welcome the Russian president over there. And we all became very happy. In those days, Dadi Gulzar, we would send her, go to Baba, see what he say. So next day, the newspaper, in all the newspapers, because of the Brahma Kumaris, Fresno, that's the I think president of Russia, has been moved from Ram Leela grounds to Red Fort. So I went to say thanks to Baba. And Baba said, when you do seva, you forget me.
करण करावनहार तो मैं हूँ, तुम
The
याद
Karan
करते नहीं।
Karavanhar
तो
is
जब मुश्किल
me,
आती है
and you don't
तो
remember me.
बाबा
And
बाबा
when there
करते
is any
रहते हो।
problem, then
तो
you
मैंने
keep saying Baba,
मुझे
Baba.
अपना पार्ट बजाना था। आप लोगों ने कितना
And I
पैसा
needed
दिया
to play
सेवा
my
की,
part.
तो भी
You
न्यूज़पेपर
gave
में
so much money for
कुछ नहीं मिल
seva.
पाई।
They didn't
देखो मैंने आप
publish in
लोगों को
the
सभी
newspaper.
अखबारों में, ब्रह्मा कुमारी,
See what I did? I published you in
रियली कभी
all
कभी
the
रियल
papers.
है जो बाबा संदेश दे रहे हैं ना कि
This is
भूल
real.
जाते हो
This is a
बाबा को
real
अपने,
message that
हम तो
Baba
सेवा
gave.
कर
We
रहे हैं, हम
forget
तो
Baba.
ये प्रोग्राम कर रहे
Say,
हैं।
oh, we're doing
बाबा
seva,
कहते हैं इसलिए
we're
तो
doing
विघ्न आते
this,
हैं,
we're doing
जब
that
विघ्न आते हैं
program.
तो आप लोग
And that is why obstacles
शोर
come.
मचाते
And
हैं
when obstacles
कि
come,
बाबा क्यों हुआ,
you make
एक लेसन
sound.
सीखने को
Baba,
मिला।
why this happened?
तो फिर
Because
वही
it's
हम
come to
2
teach us
हफ्ते
a
का
lesson.
मेला था, 10 दिन का, तो बहुत
So it was a
जबरदस्त
mela
प्रोग्राम।
or a fair for 10 to 14
दीदी वो
days.
आपकी पहली मुलाकात थी इंदिरा गांधी से?
Was it your first meeting with Indira
ऐसे
Gandhi,
हुए
the Prime
होंगे
Minister? I must have
पब्लिक
met
प्रोग्राम
her
वगैरह
just
में,
in
पर
public
1-2 हुआ।
programs, but
फिर
on
उसके बाद तो
one-on-one
वो 2 बार
was the first
न्यूयॉर्क
time.
आई,
And she
मतलब
had
वो
come to New
पहचान
York
गई थी ना।
twice
बाद
because
में
she had
और एक
recognized
बार
us.
जयंती
And
बहन कोई
once
लोग गए, तो
Jayanti
जयंती
Bhan
बहन ने कहा, वो पूछ
had
रही थी
gone and she
कि
was
वो
asking
कहाँ है
something.
मोहिनी बहन, तो
She was
मैं
asking
समझ
about Sister
गई कि
Moini there.
पहचान तो हो ही जाती
So that means she's recognized,
सब
she
लोग जाते
remembers.
हैं। और
उससे
दीदी
पहले
कोई
प्राइम मिनिस्टर उसका फादर
Before
था ना,
that, the
पंडित
Prime Minister
नहरु।
was Pandit
उससे
Jawaharlal Nehru.
जवाहरलाल नेहरू।
जवाहरलाल नेहरू, तो उसको भी मिलते रहते थे।
उसको भी मिले
I
हैं?
used to keep
सबसे
multiple
पहले तो
times
उसी
to
को
him.
मिले ना।
First, we met him only because he
वो
was the
तो ब्रह्मा
first Prime
बाबा के
Minister.
टाइम ही था ना दीदी?
That was during the time
उसका
of Brahma
कुछ
Baba.
याद है तो सुनाइए।
बस
Do you have
इतना
any
ही
other memory?
मिलते
No,
थे।
that's all we used to meet
तो
him.
कहाँ उनको जाके मिलते थे या कहीं कोई
Did
फंक्शन
you
में?
go
नहीं,
and
उनके
meet
घर
him?
में घर में
No, we used to
मतलब
go to his
प्राइम
home,
मिनिस्टर
that
का
is
जहाँ घर होता था ना।
the Prime Minister's house. I would go
दीदी
there and
विदेशों
meet
की
them.
बातें शुरू करें उससे पहले अगर कुछ
So
भी
before
ऐसा
we start
मिस हुआ हो
about
जो
the
हम
foreign
आप हमें
countries,
बताना
anything,
चाहे
if we have
दिल्ली का
missed
साउथ
about
एक्सटेंशन
Delhi,
वहाँ
about
की
South
सेवाएं
Extension
और
Center,
कोई
their
भी सेवाएं जो
services,
आपने भारत में की हो
anything that
70,
you service you
71,
did
72
in
and
71,
73
72,
एक
and
कोई भी
73.
प्रॉब्लम को सॉल्व करने की विधि
To
होती है,
solve, there
वो
is a
हमने दादियों
method
से
to
बहुत
solve
सीखी।
any
जैसे
problem,
प्रकाश मणि
and
दादी
that
ने
we
कहा
learned from Dadis.
कि ये
Prakash
मत
Mani
कहना
Dadi said,
कि ये
so you don't say
कर
that
दो,
we're having a
जैसे हम भाई कोई
program at the
मांगने गए
field.
हैं तो उस पर
It's not
ऐसी
that we're going to
अथॉरिटी से
ask
जाओ
him,
कि
go with an
आप आओ हमारे
authority,
पास।
that you come to our place, and
तो
it's an
इसी तरह से
invitation. So it's the
देखो,
same way.
नया ज्ञान है,
It's
पवित्रता
a
की
new
धारणा
knowledge.
है,
That is the
और
dharana of
क्लास में
purity.
भी सभी स्टूडेंट्स तो सेटिस्फाइड नहीं होते ना।
And it is
तो ऐसा
sure that
होता ही
all the
है,
students in the class are not
हमेशा
satisfied. There
कंपटीशन
will be some,
चलता है।
something or the
तो
other will
एक
keep
ग्रुप बन
going
गया
on.
था,
So a
जिसको
group
कहते
had
थे
got
उन लोग,
created.
मुझे याद नहीं आ रहा, एक कमेटी सी बना ली थी।
They had created like a
तो
committee.
वो
There was a
थे
name which I'm unable to
120 की
recollect.
करीब।
About 20
तो
people were
एक बार
there.
उन्होंने
And
पांडव
once,
भवन के बाहर
outside Panda Bhavan,
भूख हड़ताल
ये वाले
Delhi,
पंडा बोल रहे हैं?
भूख हड़ताल कर दी।
and they did a
तो
hunger
क्यों
strike.
भाई, दादी प्रकाश मणि आए, हमसे मिले, हमारी बातें सुनेंगे, तब हम
And they
बोलेंगे।
asked why, because Dadi Prakash Mani will
तो
come,
काफी
she will
चर्चा
listen to
चली,
our
दादी
needs,
प्रकाश
and
मणि
then we
आए
will eat.
इन लोगों के कारण के लिए।
So
तो दादी
there
गुलजार
was a
ने
lot
कहा
of
मैं जाऊँ,
discussion. Dadi Prakash
दादी
Mani
नहीं आए।
should come for her. So
तो
Dadi
दादी
Gulzar
गई,
went.
दादी प्रकाश मणि हंसती हुई,
Da-
अरे भाई बाहर क्यों बैठे
Dadi
हो?
Prakash Mani also went.
दादी गुलजार,
दादी गुलजार
बाहर क्यों बैठे हो?
She's
चलो कोई
messing up.
पानी
So
वानी
Dadi
पियो,
Gulzar went
आ
with
जाओ
such a
अंदर आ जाओ।
smile. And, oh, why are you sitting outside? Come, come,
अब
come
उन्हें तो
inside.
भूल
Have
गया
some
कि हम
water.
कबूतर
Have
बात
something
कर
to.
रहे हैं, हमें तो
And they
अंदर जाना
forgot
ही
that
नहीं है।
they're on a hunger strike
दादी
and
के
we
पीछे
shouldn't go
पीछे चले
inside.
गए।
But the
तो
way she
दादी ने उनको
called,
लॉन
they
में
just
बिठाया,
followed her.
दादी ने जूस
And
बना
Dadi
के
made them
रखा
sit
था।
on the lawn. Dadi
तो
had
उन्होंने
already
ये
made
जूस
juice and
पियो,
kept for them.
तो सबने
Say,
गिलास
come,
जूस
come
का
have
लिया।
this juice.
मुझे
So
ये
everybody
हैरानी
had
हुई
a
कि
glass
दादी
full
ने
of
ये
juice.
दिखाया ही नहीं,
I was
पूछा भी नहीं
surprised
क्यों बैठे हो।
that Dadi never showed that why are you sitting here?
वो इतना समय से बाहर बैठे हो, अंदर आ जाओ ना,
Oh, you've been
बाबा के
seated for
घर में आ
such a
जाओ।
long time. Come, come inside Baba's home.
तो आधा काम तो वहीं हो गया ना।
So
अभी
half of the
उनकी
work is
बातें
done
सुनो।
right there, and then you listen to them.
वो लोग तो ये भी कहते थे कि बाबा
They were
इतने
also
बजे ही
saying,
मुरली चलाए,
Baba
बाबा को
should
ये आप
say
ये
Muri
करो।
only at
नहीं,
this
केशव
time.
दादा
Baba
तो
should do
बहुत
this,
राजी थे।
Baba should do that,
अभी
giving a
बाबा
lot of opinions to
को
Baba.
से जो श्रीमत मिलती है,
Whatever
अभी भी
Baba
ऐसे ही
gets
है।
Srimad,
राय देने वाले
even
तो
now,
बहुत
whatever,
हैं,
and
पर
the
बाबा
advisors
क्या
are too
कहते हैं, हमें
many.
तो वो करना है
But
ना
whatever
भक्ति,
Baba
हम
shares,
दूसरे
that
से।
is what we have to do.
तो मुझे ये बहुत अच्छा लगता है कि
So
दादी
I used to
इतनी
like it
पॉजिटिव
I liked
तरीके
it a
से
lot
कोई भी
in
प्रॉब्लम
such a
क्रिएट, हम
positive way,
लोगों पे
whatever obstacle or
हमारे
problem came.
दिली
And what do we
प्रॉब्लम
do?
घुस जाती है,
The the problem just
तो
enters our
सॉल्यूशन में भी
intellect,
क्लियर नहीं होते।
and then
और
the
वो लोग
solution is not
परिस्थिति
clear.
को ऐसे देखते हैं
And
कि वो
they
एकदम
look at the
सीन है,
situation,
हम
this
भी
is a
अपना
scene
पार्ट
of the
बजाएंगे अच्छी
drama,
तरह।
and we are
तो
also
ये सब
playing
ने
our part
बहुत
very well.
घटनाएं, मतलब ये मुझे बहुत
So I've seen a
ध्यान
lot
पड़ा।
of incidents like
इसी पे
this.
ही जब दादी गुलजार मधुबन में थी, क्योंकि बाबा आते थे ना
So when
रेगुलरली,
Dadi Gulzar was in
तो एक
Madhuban,
बार हमने
and Baba
कहा
used to come
दादी
regularly.
जानकी में
So
पूछे
once I
दादी
said,
गुलजार को
Dadi
आप
Jan,
ख्याल तो नहीं चल रहा है, क्योंकि उनका सेंटर था ना, वो रहती थी। कहा दादी गुलजार आपको कोई ख्याल तो नहीं चल रहा है,
so Dadi Janki asked, your
कोई
center
फिक्र
is
तो
there. Do you
नहीं है?
have thoughts about the
मेरा
center?
बाबा नहीं चिंता
Are you
करते
worried
मैं
about
क्यों
the
करूं?
center? So she said, when my Baba
मुझे इतना
doesn't
अच्छा
worry,
लगा,
why should I
मेरा
worry?
बाबा नहीं चिंता
I
करते
like
मैं
that
क्यों
so
करूं?
much that
मेरे
my
कानों में
Baba
अभी भी
doesn't worry.
कुछ भी होता है ना,
Those
लगता है
words
अरे
are
बाबा
still
नहीं
ringing in
चिंता
my
करते
ears.
मैं क्यों
My
करूं?
Baba doesn't worry, so why should I?
दीदी एक और इंसिडेंट मैंने आपसे सुना है, वो
There's
आर्य
another
समाज
incident
का
which
है।
I have heard from you
आर्य
about an
समाज
Arya
का
Samaj.
वो इंसिडेंट भी उन्हीं दौरान हुआ होगा ना,
That
70 71
incident also must have had in the
क्या है
70s,
कि
isn't
ये
it?
जो हमारा सिद्धांत है ना, परमात्मा सर्वव्यापी है,
So, our belief
जिसे
that
बहुत लोग
God is
विरोध में
not
थे,
omnipresent. So, there are
तो
many
आर्य
people who are
समाज एक ऐसा
opposing that. Arya
नई
Samaj is a
संस्था बनी
community.
थी,
It was a new organization.
उनको अपसेट थे हमसे कि आप
They were
क्यों कहते
very upset with
परमात्मा
us.
को
Why do you say that
तो उन
Supreme
लोगों
Father,
ने
Supreme Soul is
ब्रह्मा
not
कुमारियों के अगेंस्ट
omnipresent?
बुकलेट
So
बनाई,
they made a booklet against
उसका
the Brahma
काम यही था कि
Kumaris.
सबको
This was their work.
बुकलेट
That
बांटो, ब्रह्मा
to
कुमारी
distribute
कहती
this
हैं
booklet, the
परमात्मा
Brahma Kumaris
सर्वव्यापी नहीं
say
है, ऐसे
God is
कैसे हो
not
सकता है ना।
omnipresent.
तो काफी
How can
उनके
that be
पॉइंट्स,
possible?
तो वो जहाँ भी हम एग्जीबिशन लगाए वहाँ
So
पहुँच
wherever
जाते
we
थे,
would put a fair
अपना
or
स्टॉल
exhibition,
लगा
they
के
would
ये
reach there,
किताबें बांटते
they
थे।
would put a stall, and they
तो
would
एक
start
दिन मैंने
distributing
उसको
these
कहा,
books.
जो उसका
One
हेड
day I
था, मैंने
told him,
कहा आप
the head,
इतना पैसा
I
ये
spoke to the head,
बुकलेट छपाने में
you're spending
लगाते हैं,
so much money
ब्रह्मा को
in
इतना तो
publishing
अपना
these
जो आपका
books
ज्ञान है
about the
वो
Brahma
तो लिया,
Kumaris.
उसकी बुकलेट छपाओ ना।
So why don't you distribute
बहुत ही
booklets
शॉर्ट
of
था,
your Gyan?
और मेरा
He
पता
was
नहीं
very
क्यों जो भी
short.
अगेंस्ट है ना, मैं कहती थी चलो बात करके तो देखे ना क्या बात है।
And whoever was
फिर क्या था,
against, I
उन
would always
दिनों
think,
में
okay, let's go
माताएं थी ना,
talk.
तो पवित्रता
And
के
in those
कारण
days,
एक
mothers were there.
माता का
And
युगल
because of
उसको
purity,
कोर्ट में ले गया,
one of the Yugal
तो कंजुगल
took
राइट
took
बोलते हैं
the
उनको कि
wife
तुम्हारा हक है शादी के बाद ये वो।
to the court, no,
तो
because he says this is my right after the
मैंने कहा कोई
marriage.
बात नहीं है, उनको
I
कोर्ट में
said, it's
पहुंचना
okay,
था,
don't worry.
तो वो आर्य समाज वाला भाई
And
भी
she
आया
had to
था,
reach
तो
the
मैंने कहा मैं
the
भी
court,
आऊंगा,
and even the Arya Samaj
बोले
brother
देखो
also was there.
काफी
So I
है,
said, okay,
इस
I'll also
माता
come.
को बचाना है। तो
I
मेरे
had
पास
this
एक
deep
ब्लैक
feeling that
कोट
I need
था,
to protect her
वो ऐसे
about
भी था,
this mother. I
तो
had
मैंने
a
वो
black
ब्लैक
coat.
कोट पहना,
So I
आराम
wore
से
that black
साड़ी
coat,
पहन के मैं कोर्ट में
and I
गई,
wore my sari,
तो
and I
ऐसे
went to
बैठा
the
हुआ है,
court.
जज बैठा है,
And the judge is seated,
उसके भी लोग आए हुए थे, इसके भी आए थे,
and Arya Samaji
तो
people were
फिर
also
फिर
there, the
मैंने
wives people
जो
were
भी
also
बोला,
there.
तो मैं जब
Whatever I
कोर्ट में जा
said,
रही थी तो
when
सबने
I
सोचा
went to
ये
the court,
लॉयर है,
everybody thought I was a lawyer because she
वो
was wearing the
दादी
black coat.
मेरे को भाई ये तो लॉयर है, लॉयर है,
They
तो जो
all thought
ब्लैक
I was a
कोट था
lawyer
मुझे तो
because
ख्याल
I
भी
was
नहीं
wearing
था,
a black coat. I
मेरे
never
पास
thought of it.
सर्दी थी, मैंने पहन लिया,
It was cold, so
मुझे
I just
शुरू से
wore
ऐसा
it.
रहा है, मैं जाती हूँ ना, अरे केस होता है जैसे मैं एयर इंडिया में जाऊंगी,
So even
एयर
it
होस्टेस
just
आएगी
happens
तो
that when I
कंप्लेन
go
करेगी,
walk into Air India, they
तो
think I'm an
बोलेगी
air
कि
hostess and they'll
हमारी
complain.
कंप्लेन की, आप थोड़ा अच्छा लिख दो हमारे लिए तो अच्छा
Or
हो
even in
जाएगा,
Air India, they say, no, these
तो
people are
या फाइन
complaining
मिल के आ
against us.
जाएगी,
Please write
तो
something
सोचते
good
हैं कोई
about us.
मिनिस्टर है क्या है। तो बाबा ने हम लोगों को अथॉरिटी की पर्सनैलिटी,
So Baba
ह्यूमिलिटी
had
के साथ
created,
दी है ना,
along
एक
with
बहुत काम
humility,
सही था।
there is a
और हम भी
personality of
बाबा अच्छा
authority.
चलो, फिर मैंने उसको
So
बोला
then I
कि
told
देखो
her,
जो भाई लोग हैं, लड़के हैं या भाई, वो लोग घर
The
छोड़ के
brothers,
बच्चों को छोड़ के सन्यासी बन जाते हैं।
the brothers
उनके
leave
लिए
their
कुछ नहीं
family,
करते।
home, and
आज भी
children
माताएं
and
अगर
become a
या
saint or a
कन्याएं
sage hermit. And these
पवित्र
days,
रहना
if the
चाहती है तो
mother
इतना
or
क्यों होना चाहिए?
kumaris, if they
उनको भी
want
तो
to lead a
अधिकार है
pure
ना अपने
life,
जीवन का।
why should they
उस समय
suffer?
पर
It is
माताएं
also their
सन्यासी
right,
नहीं
isn't
थी।
it? Because those days the
सब
mothers were not
भाई थे।
becoming sannyasis
तो मैं
like a
उनको ये
sage or
कह
a
रहा हूँ कि
hermit.
शास्त्र भी
So
उन्होंने लिखे,
the
वो सारे
scriptures also
व्रत
written
माता
by
ही करे,
them,
कोई भाई नहीं
and
करता।
but the
करवा
mothers
चौथ भी
follow
माता ही
all the
करती।
vows. Why
सत्यनारायण
not
भी
the
माताएं
brothers? Whether
करें,
it's Satyanarayan,
माताएं
whether it's the
दूध पिए,
Karwa Chauth, these are the
और भाई
different
लोग भी कोई व्रत करते
festivals
नहीं
where
थे।
they
तो
have to
मैं बस
follow
ऐसा
different
सोचती थी
disciplines.
कि
So I
मैं
used to
नहीं
always
बनूंगी
think, in such a
ये जन ये जन
men
वो सोसाइटी क्यों
dominating
नहीं?
society, why
बाबा
should the
आए हैं
society be
माताओं
like that?
को
Baba has
उठा
come
रहे हैं।
to uplift the mothers.
मतलब में ये होता था कि माताओं को
So
मदद करें
So I
जितनी
would
कर
get
सके,
this feeling inside, as
क्योंकि
much
कई
as
फिर
possible, I
बीके भी
should help
बन
the
गए ना,
mothers.
समर्पित
And
भी हो
many
गए
became
माताएं,
BKs and
तो
surrendered as
उनके भी
well.
होता तो था ना, हंगामा तो होता ही था।
There would
तो
always
इस
be
तरह से
upheaval in the
फिर
yajna.
यही हम लोग नैनीताल
वो
गए।
जीत गए दीदी,
हाँ,
वो केस जीत गए।
Did they win the case? She said yes.
फिर ये हम लोग गए नैनीताल, तो
And
वहाँ
then we went to
बहुत बड़ी
Nainital,
एग्जीबिशन लगाई, सामने
and there
उन्होंने
was also a
एग्जीबिशन
big
लगाई बहुत बड़ी।
exhibition.
तो वहाँ के गवर्नर को पता चला कि
The
समझ आर्य
governor,
समझ
बहुत ही
she's reminding about Arya
और
Samaj.
जैसे अभी भी आपने सुना था ना अबू रोड
Even
पर
now, as you heard about
तीसरा
Abu Road,
बाबा जो बाबा की तीसरा तन
about
थी, तो वो
they were talking
300
about a
लोगों को
third
लेके आने
body,
वाले थे
the
बसों में।
third chariot for Shiv
कहते थे
Baba.
बाहर
They were
होटल
going to
बुक कर
get
लिया था 10
300
लाख
people,
का,
and
वहाँ
they
होटल
had
वहीं
booked a
खाएंगे
hotel
और
for
लिखा था इतने बजे
10,100,000.
आपको
They're
ब्रह्मा
going to
भोजन
eat,
मिलेगा,
and they would
इतने
say,
बजे
this time you'll get
देखा
Brahma
कि
Bhojan,
बहुत
this
डिस्ट्रैक्शन
time
है
will be
ना,
this.
तो
There
वो
was a
कर तो
huge
नहीं सकते
distraction.
कुछ। तो फिर
You
हम
can't
लोगों
do
ने
anything
पुलिस से
about it.
उनका रुकवाया
And then we spoke to
और ऐसे
the
करते करते
police
उन लोगों
and
ने भी ऐसे ही
have
नैनीताल
it
में।
stopped.
तो वो अपना गवर्नर आया
So
एग्जीबिशन
she's
देखने,
just comparing the
उसने
current
शाम
and the
को
past.
रिसेप्शन
So
रखी
in
कि
Nainital also there
सभी
was an
आओ,
exhibition,
तो हम
and
लोग गए
they
थे, वो
came
भी
to
वहाँ
see,
आया हुआ था,
and we all
उसने भी
went.
बुलाया था।
I think this
तो
is
हमको
Arya
तो जैसे
Samaji Bhai who had also come to the
ऑपोजिशन तो
exhibition.
शुरू से हुई है, अभी भी देखो ना
The
कई लोग
opposition
बाबा
has
आते
been
हैं
there
आता
from
है,
the
पर मैं
very
उनको
beginning.
कहती हूँ ये तो
Even
कभी नहीं
now,
हुआ है,
no, people say Baba
इसलिए कोई
come.
डरने की
I
तो
would say,
बात ही
like,
नहीं है,
when
अपने
there
आप
was
को
no
स्ट्रॉन्ग
opposition, there is
रखो,
nothing to fear.
अपना निश्चय,
Just
अपना
keep
परिवार,
yourself strong.
बस
Keep
वही
your
करेंगे,
faith.
कोई
Keep
चिंता
the
की बात है ही नहीं
family.
इसके
That
अंदर।
is important. There is
ऑपोजिशन
nothing
तो
to
होगी,
worry or nothing to be scared.
तो हमारे ब्रह्मा
Opposition will
बाबा
definitely
दादी
happen.
तो
And we have
बहुत
our
कुछ उन लोगों ने सहन
Brahma Baba
किया,
and Dadi have
तो
not tolerated a lot.
यह अच्छे अच्छे अनुभव हुए शुरू में बहुत।
So
दीदी
I
इसके
had a
कनेक्ट
very
करके और
good.
भी बातें हैं, बट समय समाप्त हो गया, इसलिए मैं
The
एक
time
लास्ट
is
बात
less.
पूछना चाहूँगी
I
सबसे
just want to ask
आखिरी।
you a last
आपने एक बार
thing.
एक आँख के स्पेशलिस्ट के डॉक्टर की बात सुनाई थी,
You also had
वो
shared
भी इन्हीं
about
दौरान हुआ
an
होगा,
eye
उसका थोड़ा
specialist.
किस्सा सुना दीजिए।
That must have also been around the
एक
same
बहुत
time.
बड़ा आई सर्जन था
There
दिल्ली
was a
में,
very big, very famous eye surgeon in
रहता
Delhi.
तो कहीं और था, वो दिल्ली में
He
आता
was
था,
staying far. I mean, he was staying in
सवेरे से
some other
सर्जरी शुरू
city,
करता
and
था।
he would come to this town and start
मेरा
surgery
हमेशा
early in the
जैसे
morning.
बाबा हमको कहता था, कोई भी ऐसा व्यक्ति आप
Baba would
जाओ,
always
वो नहीं
say,
अकेले जाओ।
when you go to
तो
meet
मैंने
such
उसको
people,
फोन किया तो बोला कि आओ, 8:45
I,
बजे आ
I
रहे
I
हैं।
called him and he said,
तो
come
हमने
around 8:45.
ऑफिस में था, अभी 9 बजे
He was
सर्जरी
in the
उसकी।
office, and 9 o'clock the
आप क्या
surgery was
करते
about to
हो?
start.
मैंने कहा मैं
So he
भगवान
asked
को
me, what do
मदद
you do?
करती हूँ,
I said, I help
भगवान नई
God.
दुनिया बना रहे हैं तो मैं
God
मदद
is
करती हूँ।
creating a new world and I'm
अच्छा, आप
helping him.
भगवान को
And
मदद
he said,
करती हो?
oh, really? You help
ये
God?
तो मैंने कभी नहीं सुना है।
I have
हम तो
never heard
भगवान
of
से
this
बार
before.
मदद मांगते हैं।
We keep asking for
तभी तो
help from
नेचुरल
God.
बोला, क्योंकि मेरा
I
तो
just shared with
यही था कि
naturally.
मेरा बाप ये करता है, मैं भी
Because
करती
my
हूँ।
father does this and I
तो
also
फिर
do
ये
this. It was
मेरा
like a
टाइम हो
common
गया, तुम मेरे
occupation.
घर आना, मैं लंच के लिए
This
इधर
is
ही आता
time
हूँ,
for me to do the
फिर
surgery.
बात
You come
करेंगे
home
ठीक से।
and at lunchtime and we will
ठीक है
talk
मैं आऊँगी फिर।
with
तो
ease.
फिर 1 बजे
I
मैं
said, okay,
गई,
I'll come. I went at 1 o'clock to his
तो
house.
भोजन के लिए थे 15-20 मिनट, तो काफ़ी देर बातचीत
So
होती रही, उसको
we had
अच्छा
a nice
लगा।
conversation.
फिर तो जब भी वो दिल्ली आए बोला
And
मोहिनी
whenever he
जी
came to Delhi, he would always
जल्दी
say,
से
come and
मिलने
meet
आओ,
me.
तो एक
And
जैसे
I would go to
संबंध
meet
सा
him.
बन गया
Like a
जैसे।
relationship
बहुत
was
लोग हैं इस
developed.
तरह से तो।
There are many people like this.
आजकल तो हम इतना बाहर नहीं जाते ना, पहले तो
These days, we don't go
जो
that
भी
much out,
सुनते
but
थे
those days,
ये आया है
whatever we
चलो,
heard, if somebody is
2-4 लोग
come, say,
मिलके
let's
चले
go.
जाते।
2, 3 of us would go
राखी
and
के
meet
लिए भी
them.
चली जाती थी।
I've gone to meet people alone. I would take a like auto rickshaw which has 3 wheels. I would just sit in that and go.
दिल्ली की विदेश
I'm sure there are more other stories in Delhi. Even before we start
मिलने की कोशिश करो लोगों से,
you also take inspiration that go and meet.
मिलो उनसे, उनको
It's not necessary they come to you. You go and meet them. Give Baba's message, and then they will come when it is time.
कॉन्टेक्ट सोल्स ऐसे ही बढ़ते
Whether
हैं.
it's VIPs, whether IPs, that's how the number of contacts go. Automatically, they won't come. You have to come.
टाइम पे ना
Everybody is seated very comfortably. On a time, you get your food, your lunch, or wash a few dishes, and it is done. We would every day go out. Okay, we'll go here, we'll go there for service. That has become a little less these days.
और भी सुनना चाहते हैं पर समय
Thank you, Didi. We would really want to listen more. And in the upcoming episode, we will continue.
ओम शांति
ओम शांति.
Om Shanti.